Hello everyone, good evening. I am Ethan Calix Cervantes, representing the business capital of the Philippines, Makati City.
Hi Ethan, kumusta ka naman ngayon?
Okay naman at kakatapos lang ng ating event dito sa JCI membership meeting at sobrang init ng nangyaring kaganapan dito at mga balitaktakan kanina.
What have you learned from this activity?
I learned that let's continue more effort, more love to serve the community, to give positive change and powerful impact for our nation. Lalo ngayon na sobrang daming nangyaring negatibo sa ating bansa, but we also learn and also practice the faith and prayer always.
Aside from this, joining the pageants, what do you do for living?
Isang mabutihing mag-aaral ng
Of course.
Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management sa Pangasinan State University. Second year.
Second year.
Yes.
Okay. What made you decide to join Mr. Philippines? We all know that we have a lot of male pageants in the Philippines.
For me, I just want to uplift myself and also my family, my friends, and also my colleagues na kaya nating magpakitang gilas sa acting, pagiging artista at pagiging businessman, na especially soon sana maging public servant tayo.
I just want to congratulate you for winning Media's Choice Award
Yeah,
during
thank you
the
po.
press presentation. What do you think is the reason why media choose you as one of their favorites?
Siguro, lagi ko namang sinasabi is yung pagiging transparent ko sa lahat ng tao na nakakasama ko, nakakajamming ko, ganyan. Talagang minamahal ko lang naman talaga sila. At wala nang ibang rason, wala nang ibang sagot para dun sa tanong na yun. Yun lamang po.
Sino si Ethan on and off pa?
Si Ethan is isang lang naman, simpleng makulit na lalaki. Mapagmahal, malambing, sobra, ganyan. Maalaga. Yan,
What's your love language?
Love language ko is yung lagi kong nakakasama, nakahawakan. Yan, maggumawa ng maraming memories. Ganun. Yan yung love language ko.
One last question. Bakit ikaw ang kauna-unahang Mr. Philippines na mananalo?
Ako ang unang mananalo. It's because of my dedication, my courage to push myself towards my limits. And of course, especially, yung advocacy natin. To uplift other people, to give positive change and powerful impact for our community.
Thank you so much. Do you have any social media platforms to promote?
IG, Ethan Calix Cervantes. Same lang din sa Facebook and TikTok.
How about the online voting?
Online voting, maraming salamat sa mga nag-vote sa akin at ngayon na nasa top 5 na tayo ng ranking at let's do this.
Where
Kaya
can they
natin to.
vote? Saan sila magboboto para sa iyo?
Sa may link naman dun sa may Mr. Philippines page sa IG and sa Facebook.
Alright, thank you so much, Ethan, and congratulations in advance, and
Thank you po.
good luck. Yes.